My name is Nick Ambrosino. I'm the VDC Manager at DOC. We've been using Revizto for 4 years. The specific pain points and challenges we were looking at addressing were really timing with our coordination process, how much time it was taking to get ready for meetings weekly, and looking at kind of other software we were using wasn't really progressing with features and tools, and we thought there was something else out there that could help eliminate waste and make our process a little faster. Our VDC team has really been working with models for over a decade. We're familiar with the coordination process and coordinating with our subcontractors, but we've expanded the use of Revizto outside of just VDC to our estimating department, our pre-construction team. They now have access to the model and can track issues and take off quantity right in there. Expanding the use of the model and Revizto to our estimating team has really helped with understanding the project that they're bidding on or they're estimating. They can visually see the plans now instead of just looking at the 2D drawings. It helps them comprehend kind of what they're evaluating, and then they're able to easily pull quantities right off of the model using Revizto. They can export those quantities to Excel, and it just speeds up the whole estimating process for them. We've been able to really cut down the amount of time it takes to evaluate and review the models that we get each week. We're able to take data from the project, whether we're working with drone data, 2D drawings, our point clouds, we have in-house laser scanning. We had all those tools in different areas, different solutions, but Revizto allows us to bring it all together into one space. We haven't kept track specifically of our ROI stats, but in general, I would estimate that we've saved at least 2/3 of the time that we normally take in our coordination meeting setup and clash detection. Using automation, we're able to save a ton of time where we can do other things. Instead of only being able to coordinate maybe 1 or 2 projects at a time, them to focus on a project can now be expanded to 3 or 4. And then we're also expecting our subcontractors to run their own clash detection right in Revizto. They have access to the same tests that we run, and they can hopefully address and review the issues that are small kind of spatial things that they can fix throughout the week. And we're just looking at the bigger picture issues in our coordination meetings. Clash automation is very integral to our coordination process. We've been clashing models for over 15 years, and we've looked at different solutions, and now being able to automate that whole process where we were manually going through and picking out the issues that weren't real or could be ignored. Now with the automation, it's sped up that process. We have kind of a setup period with our success team member, and we get everything set, and then once that's set, we are ready to go, and it's helped quite a bit. As the desktop app, we are also using the mobile app on our iPhones primarily. We've been using it for really capturing site conditions and sharing that with the team. A lot of times we'll have an MEP manager out on site who's walking around and sees something that may not have been shown correctly in the model, or it may be an issue we need to talk about in our weekly meetings. They can snap a photo, create an issue on the 2D plan. We know exactly where it is in the model, and then we can bring it up in our meeting and review it. I would say one thing that really stands out about Revizto is the support and the advancement of the program based on feedback from customers, including ourselves. Seeing that happen month over month, really. It's only been 4 years, and it's a completely different program from when we started, and a much improved. So I would say that has been pretty impressive.